Let's do an unboxing of the Black Shark V2 Pro headset. Ooh, fancy. Oh, that is really soft. It comes with the toggle thing, or dongle, whatever that USB thing is called. It's kind of hidden in there. And a fancy cloth bag. It feels okay. Nice and soft. Let's see what else we got in here. We got a double male end plug. Forgot the name of it off the top of my head at the moment. Uses a USB plug. It's got nice covers on it so you don't get dirt and debris in there. I'm trying to think of the name of what these are called. The audio jacks, I know that, but they're 3.5mm audio jacks. And here's the microphone you can disconnect, which I didn't know about. And that's it. You get an extra silica bag.